If you have WordPress or Wix websites, boy, do I have a treat for you today. An upgrade like no other. First, WordPress site owners, what if you never had to worry about those security threats? What if you never had to maintain plugins or update your sites or pay recurring hosting fees? And Wix site owners, get this. How would you like to stop, renting your business site from Wix, so to speak, and make your own decisions for a change as to what you want to pay for? And how about actually owning your own domain name for a change? Well, most importantly, what about WordPress and Wix websites that don't perform well in terms of their speed? Optimal load time performance is becoming so crucially important these days to Google and, of course, your site visitors. Your rankings can drop like a frickin' rock if you get this wrong. And, of course, why pay monthly when you don't have to? All right, now, here's the opposite. What if you did have the best performing websites on both desktop and mobile devices? And what if your site was 100% optimized for mobile first indexing, protected from hackers, hosting was included, and you got all of that for a one-time low investment? One time, not monthly. Would that give you some peace of mind, perhaps? Wow, can you believe that? Did it catch your interest? I'll bet it did. I'm Todd Gross, and I'm here to let you know that today you do have that choice. You can actually move your WordPress and Wix content over to the new industry standard. It's called MobiFirst, all with just one click. You can start with a brand new design or create your own design using the super fast, completely customizable MobiFirst templates. It's all possible with MobiFirst Migrate, the migration tool that actually moves site content from the majority of WordPress and Wix sites over to the Google-loved MobiFirst platform, which is up and coming, taking over, and you might as well be on that, front of the curve. Equipped with mobile-first technology, it offers those swift loading speeds and reliable site security. Make security hacks, constant updates and maintenance, compatibility issues, poor performance, and recurring hosting payments a thing of the past while you are building your website for the future of the mobile internet, which is where we're heading, and we're already there. At MobiFirst, speed is our thing. You see, in the spring of 2018, Google began to implement a new way of indexing websites called Mobile First. And this year, Google enabled Mobile First indexing by default for new domains. Now, in a nutshell, websites that load faster and perform better across all devices simply rank higher in Google search, with mobile sites being first. No one has stepped up to the plate to make websites the way Google really wants until MobiFirst. The founders of MobiFirst, Scotty and Silvio, who you can see right here, had the ingenious idea to completely reverse engineer how websites are built by putting the mobile first theory into practice and constructing sites to fit the smallest mobile devices first, and adding selected site elements for larger and larger screens through the site building process. Now, this is completely the opposite approach of all other site builders, and the first time this has ever been done correctly. Now, the results are websites with unheard of loading speeds that are extremely high in security, and they virtually can't be hacked, plus instantly optimized pages for SEO top performance. Now, unfortunately, for millions of WordPress and Wix websites that are already out there, this is a major problem. The very nature of how those sites are built creates poor performance with slow loading, especially on mobile devices. There's no way around it. Even the most optimized WordPress sites don't compare to the same site on MobiFirst. Now, take a look, for example, at these two sites on mobile. One is optimized as a WordPress site, and the other is a MobiFirst site with the same content. Now, here is the original WordPress website, and take a look at the performance grade using Lighthouse. A miserable score of 22. Load times over 9 seconds and higher. Oh my! Now we migrated the content to MobiFirst and added the design elements from the WordPress site, and look at how dramatic the difference is. Lighthouse gives our MobiFirst site a performance score of 96 with load times at 3 seconds and less. And you know what? That's exactly what Google is looking for in a website. 3 seconds or less. And look at the performance from a Wix website. It's almost as bad as WordPress, this time with a performance grade of 26. Just no comparison to MobiFirst. Seriously, what a huge difference. You'd better believe a MobiFirst website will win the battle in Google and have lower bounce rates, all while being 100% secure and optimized without having to update plugins and do constant maintenance. Check out some more examples of our website performance compared to non-MobiFirst websites. Pretty amazing. The difference is unreal, and at your fingertips, right here, right now, you see the MobiFirst software continues to produce these kind of results time and time again. And MobiFirst Migrate gives you the ability to move most WordPress and Wix sites over to MobiFirst with one click. Now, this closed source cloud-based site builder combines total design flexibility and easy user functionality. The in-depth training makes it easy, and the content migration saves tons of editing time. Select from any of our over 100 site templates for your migrated site or build from scratch. The templates completely customizable. They can be saved to use over and over again. Now, there are dozens of pre-made widgets to select from that are customizable for your content. Select a design template, select the widgets that you want, customize, and boom, you're done. Add as many pages as you want, even a blog. Watch your site unfold in front of you on mobile, tablet, desktop, all in one editing view. No need to create separate sites for mobile and desktop at all. No need for guessing what functions work on one device or another. No need for guessing what looks good on one and doesn't on the other. It's completely flexible and what you want to show on any device, allowing for optimal site design for every single device and optimal speed on all of them. It's limitless as to what you can do. And when you purchase MobiFirst Migrate Unlimited, you may move and build an unlimited number of websites with hosting included. Yep, MobiFirst handles all back-end site upgrades and updates for you. The migration tool, the site builder, unlimited hosting, unmatched site security, the best performing sites on the internet, hands down, and much more for the low one-time fee that you see on this page. But that one-time fee is going away soon, perhaps even by the next time you visit the page, as we move to a recurring payment model, which this advanced site builder MobiFirst obviously deserves. The fastest websites and unmatched security will be yours with MobiFirst at a ridiculous price. For WordPress owners, the countless hours saved on site maintenance, and for both WordPress and Wix owners, the money saved on monthly hosting is huge. There's nothing to lose here. You are backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Today's investment is so minimal compared to everything you're going to get out of MobiFirst Migrate. We guarantee it. The shift has already happened. MobiFirst is for the websites of the future. Get MobiFirst Migrate right now, and we'll see you on the inside.